Hi, welcome to How To channel. In this video, let us see how we can enable 5G cellular connection on an iPhone. The new iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone SE, and iPhone 12 now have 5G cellular support. To use a 5G connection with Jio and Airtel on an iPhone 12 or later, customers will need to update to iOS 16.2. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Click on Software Update. Click Download and Install. You have to enter your phone's password. Read the terms and conditions before you proceed. Click on Agree to continue. The update takes around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Once the update is downloaded, click on Install Now. Your phone has to restart to activate the update. After the restart, go to Settings and click on Mobile Data. Click on Mobile Data Options. Click on Voice and Data. Choose 5G on or 5G Auto based on your preference. Turn on 5G Standalone. Press OK. Now, let us check the speed of the 5G connection with the Speed Test app. This is a speed test app from Apple Store called Speed Test Master. You can see that 5G is enabled on the top right corner of the screen. The download speed is more than 400 megabits per second and the upload speed is 65 megabits per second, which is much higher compared to 4G internet speed. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment on the next topic that you would like to see.